Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get right into today's video. Today I will show you how I recreated these Winnie the Pooh nails from Nails by Dev. Shout out to her, I absolutely love her work. And I'm going to go ahead and use these liner brushes from Beetles, and then I'm going to have all my colors on my palette. As you can see, the nail polishes I use are from Beetles and ROSALIND, and I highly recommend them. They're affordable and they're really high pigmented colors. And I'm also going to paint my base color for my French tips with this nude color from this brand from Amazon. I can't pronounce the name, but I'll make sure I leave it linked in the description box below. And as always, I am using the method that I make my French tips with. I just paint on the base first, and then I'll go ahead and cure for 60 seconds, and I'll apply a second coat off camera, and I'll cure for 60 seconds again. Now I'm going to take this nude gel polish color from Beetles and apply it to the other 3 nails, and I'll cure for 60 seconds in between each coat. I applied 2 coats. After the nails have been cured, I'm going to go ahead and take my long liner brush and start painting the French tips. After I finish both nails, I'll go ahead and cure for 60 seconds, and I'll do 2 coats. Now it's time for the nail art, and I am using a reference picture from my phone in front of me, and I just go ahead and, like I said, start from the top and work my way down. Here I am trying to color block, but it is just so difficult for me to use color blocking. That is a type of method that you can use when doing nail art, but it just does not work out for me. If it works out for you, that's great, but I like to just start from the top and work my way down to the bottom and just start outlining the characters first, and then after that I'll go ahead and fill them in with the colors, kind of like when you're coloring in a coloring book. And that just is easier for me to do. You can do as you please, whatever works best for you, but just go ahead and just start from the top and work your way down and go from there, and I'll let you go ahead and enjoy. When outlining your characters, you want to use your detail brush and with light pressure so you get really fine lines. Also, you can go ahead and let your pinky, the hand that you're painting with, let that pinky rest on the other hand for stability so that you don't have as much shaking. Because if you try to just do it with your hand floating in the air, you will shake a lot and it's going to cause your lines to come out wrinkly. So use your little pinky on your other hand as stability and your lines will come out perfect. After I did all the outlining, I went ahead and flash cured for 30 seconds and my phone wasn't recording when I filled in his t-shirt, but I just filled that in with the red color and I went ahead and flash cured for 60 seconds. And now I'm going to go ahead and fill in the rest of his little cute body with the yellow. And then as you can see, I am going over where I outlined, which is okay because the yellow is going to be light enough to where I can still see the lines where I did the outline, and I'm just gonna go over that after I've cured the yellow for 60 seconds. I'll go back over that with black just to darken it up, and you want to make sure you don't skip this step because outlining your characters really brings it to life. And after you've done the darkening of the outline, go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds because if you don't cure the black for 60 seconds, it can cause wrinkling, especially if you have too much gel polish on your brush. So go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds. And then once you're finished with that, we're going to go ahead and add some shading. And for the shading, I don't have shading gel colors, so I just add, you know, a little bit of red or a little bit of black and mix it with base coat. And you just want it to be very light. You don't want it to be very pigmented. So just go ahead and do that. If you don't have colors, you know, you don't have to go and buy all kinds of colors to have them. Just create your own. That's what I do. I use what I have and just create my own. And I thought it just came out so perfect. So I'll go ahead and let you watch the rest. After my Winnie the Pooh has been cured for 60 seconds, I'm going to go ahead and apply a nice thick layer of top coat. I happen to use the SAVILAND top coat in my Beetles gel polish bottle. And just look how cute he is. Oh my goodness, I love him. Now it's time to add the little bee trail, and you just want to take your detail brush and just add little black marks with the black gel polish, and you can make it in any direction you'd like. And after you do that, go ahead and cure for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to go ahead and use this 3D carving gel. I absolutely love using this stuff because it's so much easier to work with instead of using acrylic. I highly recommend you guys try this stuff. It's not sticky. You can touch it with your fingers and you can mold it, you know, to whatever 3D shape that you want. You can take your time, and it doesn't set until you cure it. So I highly recommend you guys get your hands on this 3D carving gel. Here's how the nails look so far. I think they're coming out so cute. Don't get frustrated when you're doing nail art and you're doing, you know, any 3D nail art, because you just gotta go ahead and just keep practicing. That's what I've had to do. I've had to practice over and over. Trust me, this is not the first time that I've done nail art. I wanted to give up in the beginning of doing these Winnie the Pooh nails because I was getting frustrated, but just trust the process and just keep working at it and you'll get the hang of it. And that's what I've done, and I've absolutely love how my nails have came out. My husband always tells me just to keep practicing. Practice makes perfect, and that's exactly what I've been doing, and he's so proud of me. So now I'm going to go ahead and take this solid UV gel, and I've been wanting to try to use this stuff because I've seen so many girls make the 3D chrome nails. I want to make those pretty soon, but for right now I'm taking it and just molding it into like honey drips, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds. And it's non-sticky, so you don't have to worry about it being sticky. It's non-sticky, and then you'll cure it for 60 seconds. And I'm gonna take this jelly yellow color that I also got from Shein, and I'm gonna go ahead and paint over that solid UV gel with my detail brush. And then I went ahead and just mixed some black with base coat to make a really super light black color, and I'm just gonna go ahead and paint some lines on the honey pot. Then I'll go ahead and cure for 60 seconds. Now the last step is just go ahead and apply a nice thick layer of top coat, and you want to go ahead and top coat over all of the 3D nail art as well. That way, you know, you don't fade it away when washing dishes or showering, or you don't scratch off the paint if you nick on something. And you'll go ahead and cure for 60 seconds, and that'll just make sure to protect all your hard work. And I do want to take this time to thank all my subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Me and my husband just appreciate you guys supporting my channel, and we are so glad that you're here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. I do nail art, and I just absolutely love making press-on nails. I've been doing nails for about 4 years now, and it's just been my passion, my hobby, and I just want to go ahead and share that with you guys. So make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and leave a comment down below if you've made it this far in the video. I appreciate you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.